Hi, Tesla owners. Are you ready to take your Tesla experience to the next level? Then look no further. Tesery brings you a range of premium Tesla accessories designed to enhance your ride. Today, I will focus on the Tesla cup holder, which is a must-have accessory for every Tesla owner. Our Tesla cup holders are made with precision and attention to detail, combining style and function. Say goodbye to spills and instability. Our cup holders ensure your drink stays safe, even during sharp turns or sudden stops. With its innovative design, the Tesla cup holder can hold a variety of cup sizes, from your morning coffee to your favorite energy drink. But that's not all. Our cup holder goes beyond convenience. It provides extra storage for small items, like keys, coins, and even your smartphone. Experience the perfect blend of style, practicality, and durability. Our Tesla cup holders are built to last, just like your Tesla. Don't settle for anything less. Get your Tesla cup holder exclusively at Tesery.com today. Follow us on YouTube for more exciting Tesla accessories and tips. Upgrade your Tesla today. Visit Tesery.com and make a difference in your drive.